Corbin Building, we committed to the community, local community, that we will restore it to its original historic significance. This building went through weathering and elements took its toll. The terracotta design had sea creatures, clams and shells, and also all the terracotta pieces on certain floors has Mr. Austin Corbin's name engraved as AC. After the cleaning of the terracotta pieces, they came up with a solution that we would apply a chyme coating system to the terracotta. The chyme coating system is natural mineral coloring system where the historic architect matched the color of chyme with the original terracotta color. The chyme coating not only restored terracotta to its original color, it also gave us the weatherproofing. Probably will extend the life of the terracotta for next 100 years.